Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to send money from your Revolut account to a US bank in 2025. With Revolut's latest updates, this process is faster, more secure, and easier than ever before. Whether you're sending money to family, paying for services, or handling international transactions, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Revolut app is updated to the 2025 version. This ensures you have access to the newest features, like enhanced security protocols and quicker transfer speeds. Open the app and log in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually front and center on the home screen. Step 1. Select the type of transfer. In 2025, Revolut offers options like SWIFT, ACH, or even their ultra-fast Revolut Direct for US banks. Choose the one that best fits your needs based on speed and fees. Next, enter the recipient's details. You'll need their US bank account number, routing number, and possibly their name and address for verification. Revolut's Smart Autofill might help here if you've sent money before. Step 2. Input the amount you want to send. Keep an eye on the exchange rates and any potential fees. Revolut is known for being transparent, so you'll see a breakdown right away. If you're dealing with currencies, the app will handle conversions in real time. Now, double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Revolut's 2025 update includes a handy preview feature that simulates the transfer before you confirm. Step 3. Verify your identity if prompted. This could involve a quick biometric scan or a two-factor authentication code sent to your phone. Once that's done, hit the Send button, and you're good to go. Transfers to US banks can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on the method you choose. A quick tip: always check for any weekend or holiday delays, and consider using Revolut's premium features if you need priority processing. There you have it. That's how you send money from Revolut to a US bank in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.